these are the both gifts that I got, and I'm gonna open them. Wow. I opened these before, but I want to open it for you guys. Oh, squishy thing. And there's also this, and it's empty because this is my new gift. If you want me to open this, then you have to like and subscribe. This is the pencil topper. It's a fish, and these are the erasers here. I don't know how many pencils are here. This is so cute, and it's Chinese. Wow. And that's in sharpener, so I can sharpen these, but they're already sharpened. I did not open them or sharpen them. If you want me to open them, then you have to comment and like and subscribe.